Hi everyone, this is Sia Twinkle Jane and this is my video about what I eat in a day. So I've been trying to lose weight. It's been 3 months that I've been on a weight loss journey because I gained a lot of weight past 6 months. When I started this, my goal was I have to lose 10 kgs in 3 months. My 3 months has ended actually. I was able to lose 7 kgs, 3 more kgs to go. So this is what I eat in a day while I'm dieting. So of course I have a dietitian, a nutritionist who tells me what to eat. I had consulted her 2 years ago. I'm doing it again. Though I know what to eat, what not to eat, but I'm still consulting a dietitian so that I am accountable. If I'm doing it by myself, then I really mess it up. Some days I'm following it, some days I'm not. I'm like sending her everything and then we get on a call or meet physically after every 10 days. So she's asked me to never keep myself hungry. So I start my day by waking up early, 8ish, and then I have my breakfast 9:30ish or 10. My diet consists of protein rich and low calorie diet. So first thing in the morning, what I have is cinnamon water, which is lukewarm, and a squeeze of lime. So cinnamon water helps in reducing fat. It helps in burning fats. Almonds, 5 soaked almonds. Along with soaked almonds, I have besan ka chila. Besan ka chila has a lot of protein because of besan. Besan is made out of white chickpeas. And बेसन का चीला 2 खा रही हूँ. मेजरिंग कप में से मेजर करके लेते हैं तो उससे 2 बनते हैं. Generally, I didn't have breakfast before. I used to skip it because I didn't feel as hungry in the starting of the day. But then my dietitian told me that you can't skip breakfast because if you do, you're just lowering down your metabolism. So she asked me specifically to have besan ka chila in the morning, first thing in the morning, or a fruit. I hate fruits. I don't like fruits and I feel that I feel more hungry if I eat fruits. Isliye I skip fruits also. So this is the only thing I have in the morning. She has asked me to keep a nice schedule, as in wake up early and sleep early and have a good sleep in between, not lack in sleep, because if I'm lacking sleep then my body reacts accordingly. After some work, I either have coffee at 12ish. At 1 I have lunch, and this is what my lunch looks like. I have cinnamon water before I start with lunch. My lunch is a mix of protein and then carbs, some carbs. Also I measure the rice before taking it. It's just half a cup. And then I love papad. I always have papad with my lunch. Also, I'm supposed to have salad with cucumber, tomatoes, etc. But today I'm just skipping it because I don't feel like having it. And that's it. Good lunch. Sometimes I have chawal, sometimes I have roti. I can do either or. It's not compulsory that I have to have chawal only. Didi makes amazing rotis. She makes like lachkadar paratha. Even the atta that we take for the roti is measured. It's I think 1/4 of the cup, and so that I don't consume like extra carbs. And then during noon, I generally have protein bars. And one thing I've recently become addicted to are these whole fruit bars. They are amazing. They taste amazing. And I just carry these whenever I go out in my bag because whenever I'm hungry, I can just eat this and be satiated. Before that, I was obsessed with makhana. I used to have too much makhanas. I love makhanas. I used to finish packets, but then having too much makhanas is also not a good thing. I used to think that it's a healthy thing, so I can have any quantity, but then it is a source of carbohydrates. And after that, I have dinner at like 8ish after my Pilates class, or after I'm done with my work. 8ish I have my dinner. This is what my dinner looks like. Before starting the dinner, again I have cinnamon water, and then I have soup. This soup generally या तो फिर beet, carrot and tomato का होता है, but ये वाला है spinach, tomato and bottle gourd, मतलब घिया का. So I'll have this and paneer salad. Paneer is really good protein for vegetarians like me. This is, आज मेरे को थोड़ा मीठा खाने का मन था तो ये आटे का हलवा है. वैसे मैं generally नहीं खाती हूँ, but सिर्फ आज के लिए खा रही हूँ. Can't wait to indulge. If I'm not in the mood to have paneer salad because some days you're bored, I have moong ki dal ka chila. And on the rest of the days when my mother feels it's convenient, then she makes chana. That's my least favorite. That's that for my dinner. And generally, even if I'm going out, I'm allowed for having hummus or something which is rich in protein. And it's not that I can't cheat. I have cheat days twice in a week. She's allowed me twice, but I have more. Beta, masti nahi. I sneakily eat something or the other. I have like 1 bite or 2 bites to like keep my tongue satisfied. So my problem is I binge eat a lot at night. This is why I think I gained weight. I don't feel hungry during the day, but at the end of the day I start binge eating and I crave too much. So earlier I used to have like moongi dal ke chips, which my dietitian had given me. It has like really less calories, but now she has discontinued. So I just try to control or have some makhana. And then before sleeping, I again have cinnamon water. This is what I eat in a day. And yeah, that's it. That is what I have in my whole day. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment below, and like, subscribe. I'll be posting more long form videos, informational videos. So kindly subscribe, and for more such content, keep it simple with Twinkle.